Is your business on rented ground? Ganito ka din ba, anak? Ilang oras ka na bang nagpo-post sa social media, nagre-reply sa inquiries, tapos isang araw, napansin mong wala nang message, wala nang engagement, parang biglang nawala lahat ng pinaghirapan mo, no? Let me tell you about May and her husband, Arvin. They run a pest control services business. Si May ang in charge sa marketing, nagpo-post ng before and after photos, mga tips on termite prevention, at mga testimonials ng happy clients. Si Arvin naman, hands-on sa operations, and together, they work hard to build their small business from the ground up. And for a while, they were going really well. Maraming nagla-like, maraming nagtatanong, at kahit na walang malaking budget sa ads, tuloy-tuloy ang inquiries. Pero isang umaga, pag-check ni May ng kanilang page, nawala. As in, wala. Yung kanilang Facebook page was suddenly gone. They had been very careful naman. Years of reviews, photos, and followers gone in seconds. Nakakatakot din, di ba? At doon nila na-realize na all their connections with clients were on a platform that they did not control. It's like building a house on someone else's land. As long as you're allowed to stay, everything is fine. But once the owner tells you to leave, wala ka nang magagawa. Masakit, di ba? Lalo na kung alam mong maayos ka naman. Kaya anak, alam mo ba kung saan ang totoong connection sa clients mo? Hindi sa likes, hindi sa comments, nasa email list mo. Kasi sa social media, hindi ikaw ang may control. Yung platform ang may final say kung sino ang makakakita ng posts mo. Pero sa email, ikaw ang may access, ikaw ang may connection, ikaw ang may hawak ng relasyon. Pwede mong i-follow up ang clients mo, magpadala ng pest prevention tips, or offer promos sa regular maintenance. Diretso sa inbox nila. Imagine, habang iba nagpapanik dahil na-disable ang page nila, ikaw, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang bookings mo dahil may direct line ka sa clients. That's the beauty of email marketing. That's why I want to introduce to you Coach Alan Ngo and Coach John Pagulayan. Sila ang pinaka-trusted mentors ko pagdating sa email copywriting at marketing. They both teach simple, practical ways para ikaw mismo as a business owner makapag-build ka ng email list na nagko-convert ito into loyal, paying clients. So watch their free webinar replay to see how email marketing can transform your business, ha? And when you are ready to level up, their email marketing fast track course can guide you on how to build lasting relationships that lead to repeat sales. Kaya tandaan anak, you cannot build your business on rented land. Kung puro sa social media ka lang umaasa, isang araw lang na mawala ang page mo, pwedeng mawala rin lahat ng connection mo. So build your email list, build real relationships, build a business na ikaw lang ang may control. And watch the free webinar replay, enroll sa Email Marketing Fast Track. Check the links in the comments below and let's grow your business the right way. Always remember, be business-minded, Pinoy.